Hey guys, here's a Viper defense setup that I think is one of the best on Lotus. First, you're going to throw your orb around here. It just has to cover the choke onto the A site.
Here.
Then, with your wall, come to the B
Here.
site and stand in the middle of the wall. Aim your crosshair slightly right of this corner in the bricks.
Poison orb emitting.
The orb will look like this and make it very hard for attackers to get onto the A site. The wall on B will have a slight gap that attackers can look through, but they will still have to run through it to get onto site, and it protects you while you're defusing. On the C site, your wall will cut off the left and right side, making it easier to hold. Mollying any of these sides will stop attackers from doing anything. The wall is supposed to go on the ledge if you do it right, but it doesn't matter too much as it will still cover you while you defuse.